Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Penguin Tuxedo Tour. We have a big turnout today. Looks like everybody is dressed for the weather, which is perfect, and we know that you're going to have an exciting time. I want you to make sure that you are paying attention to the safety rules. We look with our eyes, not our hands. We do not want to stress out our penguin friends, so make sure that you're staying at least 50 feet away from the birds and their nests. Behind you will see a raft of penguins. They stay warm by huddling in a big group. The largest is about 4 feet tall and weighs between 70 to 90 pounds. This is typical of the emperor penguin. Anybody have any questions? Great, we're going to go ahead and move on. Follow me.
Okay, welcome to the second leg of our penguin tour. As you notice, we have several of them behind us right now. And we are being safe, being far away from them so that we don't stress them out. Penguins, interestingly enough, begin to mate at the age of 4, and they live as long as 20 years. Unfortunately, they can never legally drink. Penguins have short wings, and that helps them to dive really far in so that they can go down as far as 900 feet, and then they can get loads and loads of fish. They're very successful in these waters around us. Maybe we'll see some of them do that today. They also swim between 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. They're really fast in the water because they are wingless, but their flippers that look like wings make them go through the water very smoothly. They have a very thick layer of feathers and blubber, and that blubber really insulates them and it keeps them warm in these terrible climates. Zip up if you need to. And then they have a body oil that keeps them completely dry in the water. They're amazing creatures and really adapted to the environment. So now we're going to do an audience participation, and we'd like you all to get together, and just like bees do in a beehive, this is the way that penguins keep warm when they're on the land. The one that's at the center radiates out and they circle each other. The ones that are really cool come to the center and they keep moving in and out to keep warm. So let's all get together and move like penguins just so that we can keep warm and dry. Bye guys. We'll